Imagine having a side hustle that works for you, even while you sleep. With the rise of AI, it's no longer just a dream. Today I'll show you 10 easy side hustles you can start right now, and I'll give you clear steps for how to actually set each one up. Quick note, this video is just the overview. I'll be releasing step-by-step tutorials on each of these side hustles, so if one sparks your interest, hit subscribe so you'll see when the detailed guides drop. Side Hustle 1. Faceless YouTube channel. Pick a niche. Examples: motivation, tech, or personal finance. Use ChatGPT to write your script. Generate a voiceover with 11 Labs. Gather visuals using stock footage or AI-generated images. Edit in CapCut or DaVinci Resolve. Upload and optimize with SEO titles and descriptions. AI can help. Monetization, YouTube partner program plus affiliate links plus digital products. Side Hustle 2. Blogging with AI writers. Create a free blog with WordPress or Medium. Use ChatGPT or Jasper to draft SEO-friendly posts. Use Surfer SEO or free keyword tools to find what people search for. Publish 2 to 3 articles per week. Once traffic grows, apply for Google AdSense to earn ad revenue. Bonus: insert affiliate links in your articles for double monetization. Side Hustle 3. Print-on-demand products. Sign up for Redbubble, Teespring, or merch by Amazon. Use Midjourney or Canva to design t-shirts, mugs, or stickers. Upload designs. The platform handles printing and shipping. Share your store on social media for extra traffic. Each sale yields profit with zero upfront investment. And remember, I'll be breaking these down one by one in full tutorials, so make sure you're subscribed. Side Hustle 4. Social media content creation for businesses. Find small businesses on Instagram, Facebook that post rarely. Use Canva plus ChatGPT to create a month's worth of content. Offer to manage their account for a monthly fee. Automate scheduling with Buffer or Later. AI reduces your workload so you can handle multiple clients at once. Side Hustle 5. Freelance copywriting with AI. Sign up on Fiverr, Upwork, or Freelancer. Offer services like ad copy, email campaigns, or product descriptions. Use Jasper AI or ChatGPT to generate polished copy. Edit for tone and client needs. Deliver within hours instead of days. Fast turnaround equals more jobs and repeat clients. Side Hustle 6. Stock photography and AMP. AI-enhanced images. Take photos with your smartphone. Food, landscapes, cultural events. Enhance them with AI editing tools like Lumina Neo. Upload to Shutterstock, Adobe Stock, or Pond 5. Each download earns you a royalty. AI-generated art can also be uploaded, giving you endless content. Side Hustle 7. Ebooks and digital guides. Pick a specific niche topic, e.g. 10 side hustles for teens or budgeting for beginners. Use ChatGPT to create an outline plus draft. Expand and edit to make it original. Design cover in Canva. Publish on Amazon KDP for free. Earn royalties every time your ebook sells worldwide. Side Hustle 8. Online course creation. Choose a topic you know or research with AI. Use ChatGPT to outline lessons. Generate slides with Canva. Record AI voiceover for each slide using 11 Labs. Upload to Udemy or Teachable. Courses sell for $10 to $100 plus each, and AI reduces production time. Side Hustle 9. Virtual assistants with AI. Sign up as a virtual assistant on Fiverr, Upwork. Use AI tools like ChatGPT to write emails, schedule tasks, or summarize documents. Offer data entry, research, or customer support services. Automate routine work with Zapier plus AI tools. Clients pay you for tasks that AI helps you complete in a fraction of the time. Side Hustle 10. Resume and cover letter services. Advertise resume help on Fiverr or LinkedIn. Use ChatGPT to generate tailored resumes and cover letters. Offer LinkedIn profile optimization as an upsell. Deliver polished packages quickly. Many job seekers are willing to pay $20 to $100 per package. Those are 10 easy side hustles you can start and automate with AI in 2025. Each one requires almost no upfront cost, just a bit of consistency. If you want to actually start one of these, subscribe now because the step-by-step tutorials are coming next. Which one would you start with this week? Drop your answer in the comments below. And if you'd like to keep track of your progress, grab my free side hustle tracker. The link is in the description.